Choosing the right car seat is an important decision for your child's safety and comfort. Two popular options parents often consider are convertible car seats and rotating car seats. Understanding the pros and cons of each can help you decide which seat best fits your needs. Convertible car seats are designed for long-term use, as they can be used rear-facing for infants, and then switch to forward-facing as the child grows. Rear-facing car seats are safer for babies and toddlers because they better protect the head, neck, and spine in crashes. Convertible seats allow children to stay rear-facing, which many doctors and safety experts recommend, reducing the risk of serious injury. A convertible car seat starts as a rear-facing seat for babies, and then changes to a forward-facing seat as your child grows. Some models can also turn into a booster seat for older children, so you can use the same seat for many years. These car seats are usually easy to install, but it is very important to read both the car seat manual and your car's manual before installing to make sure everything is done correctly and safely. They can be securely installed using either the vehicle's seat belts or the latch system, depending on your car and the seat's design. Convertible car seats do not rotate, which can make it harder to lift your child in and out, especially when the seat is rear-facing. Also, these seats are not made to be taken in and out of the car. Installing them can take some effort, especially when changing the direction from rear-facing to forward-facing. Rotating car seats have a special base that lets you turn the seat toward the car door. This makes it much easier to place your child in the seat and buckle them in, especially when the seat is in the rear-facing position. These seats offer the same safety features as regular convertible car seats. They support both rear-facing and forward-facing use, helping keep your child protected as they grow. Many rotating seats are easier to install than traditional convertible seats. Some models only need to be installed once, allowing you to switch between rear-facing and forward-facing by simply spinning the seat, without needing to remove it. Rotating seats make everyday use much easier. They make it more comfortable to lift and buckle your child. Because they are more convenient, they can also encourage parents to keep their child rear-facing longer, which is safer. Rotating car seats are generally more expensive and have fewer options available. The rotating mechanism can also make them bulkier and harder to move. Both convertible and rotating car seats provide safe, long-term solutions for growing children. A convertible car seat is a good choice if you want something simple and affordable. A rotating car seat is great if you want extra comfort and easier buckling. Ultimately, the best car seat is one that fits your child, your vehicle, and your daily routine.